How to fix this admin is pending removal on Facebook page. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix this admin is pending removal on Facebook page. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in to your Facebook page and not your Facebook profile. And if you are signed in to your Facebook profile, then go ahead and switch to your Facebook page. Now, go ahead and tap on your page icon on the bottom right of your screen and further scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy drop-down and then tap on the settings page. Now, tap on the search bar and search for page access. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see everyone who has access to your Facebook page and also be able to see the admins of the page. So, if you are trying to remove some admin here, you will not be able to do that, as first you have to make sure that you have more than one admin and also that they have given you the access to remove them. If the status remains pending for an extended period, consider reaching out to Facebook support for assistance. You can do this through the Help Center, and if you have the ability, you can reassign roles, add another admin, or edit existing roles to manage the page effectively while waiting. So, this is how you can fix this admin is pending removal on Facebook page error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.